Hello students, now in this second video of introduction to Java, I am going to explain few more tokens. First one is identifier. Identifiers are also called variables. It is a term used for naming a block of statements by which they are identified in the Java program. It can be a class name, a function name, an object, or an interface. Suppose we have to store a value int a equal to 10. The name which is given to that value, that is called an identifier or variable. Any name can be given. Suppose we have written this statement, that means in the memory cell where 10 is stored, its name is A. So it is also called a named memory location. This A is a named memory location which stores a value. So any name which we give from our own side, like suppose we are writing class sum. So this sum is also variable, the name which we have given. We are writing a function in the program, public void display function. This is also an identifier, the name which we give from our own side. Then the variables which we take to store the values, those are also identifiers or variables. They should not be the keywords. They should start with an alphabet, and they should not have any special character. Only underscore and $sign can be used. Next is assignment. Single equal is called an assignment operator. It refers to storing a value in a variable, and if we are storing in int data type, that means the value should be int. If we are writing float, that should be in decimal. That means the variable and the value to be stored must be compatible, must have the compatible data type. Double, then it should store the double value. If it is char, then character it should store. If it is string, then it should store string in double quotes. Double equal we are having, that is called the relational operator. There is a difference between single equal and double equal. This is an assignment operator. Double equal is a relational operator, and single equal assigns a value to a variable, whereas double equal compares whether it is true or false. If I am writing if statement, if A double equal to B, that means it will compare that A is equal to B or not. Answer will be Boolean, that is true or false. Then operators, these are the symbols or signs used to specify the operations to be performed. These are the symbols or signs. Arithmetic operators we are having, that is related to mathematics, plus, minus, slash, asterisk and modulus. Modulus is to find the remainder after dividing, and slash is to find the quotient after dividing. Then as relational operators which tell the relation between the two operands, like A is less than B or greater than B, or less than equal to or greater than equal to, or equal to, so we write double equal, and not equal, exclamation equal we write. So these are the relational operators which gives a relation between the two operands. These are the operands. Then logical operators. Logical operators are used in combination with the relational operators, like we write like this: if A greater than B and A greater than C. That means A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Both the conditions are true, then only if will be true. And means both the conditions should be true, then only this if will be taken as true. And if instead of this and we are having or symbol, that means any one condition from left or right is true, it will be taken as true. And if it is not equal, we write like this: a not equal to B, we write like this: if A not equal to B. So these are the logical operators, and or not. Then next are the punctuators. These are the punctuation signs which we use, like comma, semicolon, dot, etc. Separators, these are the special characters which are used to separate the variables, like comma, bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, etc. Keywords are the reserved words which are preserved by the system, already predefined in the system, and they carry some special meaning for the compiler, like class we write, public, throws, for, while, do while, so many loops are there, so they are having some special meaning for the compiler. All these are keywords.